My project started at Clive Booth Student Village, Oxford's biggest student accommodation, and currently being refurbished, leading to the demolition of 250 student bedrooms and masses of furniture waste. This sparked an idea. What if I'm one step ahead of the removal team and instead of watching valuable resources go to landfill, ask my university for permission to upcycle their furniture? The identical pieces of furniture in each room were like a pool of resources and a building block for my design process, for which I salvaged the components I deemed most valuable and characterful. Collecting the components of 6 bedrooms quickly made me realize the potential to upscale upcycling and use the skill set of a designer and maker to take it one step further. Inspired by the available components, new products such as the Clive stool emerged from the project. And if one old bed makes for one new stool, then there is the potential to save a lot more material of the 250 bedrooms soon to be demolished. Bringing the masses of unwanted components at the Clive Booth Student Village back to life through creatively responding to the original qualities led to look at the design process from a different angle and create unique pieces such as the storage tower, entirely made from repurposed drawer fronts and designed to organize your everyday items. Who said that upcycling is only for the hobbyist? You can now eat your lunch sat on the Clive stool at Oxford Brookes University, where the old blends in with the new. Let's not create more waste, design around it. Let's upscale upcycling.